Today, we're diving deep into the world of pickup trucks, but not just any trucks. These are the rarest of the rare, the ones that even Jay Leno would be surprised to lay eyes on. From forgotten prototypes to limited edition marvels, we're counting down the top 5 rarest pickup trucks that Jay Leno doesn't want you to see. Get ready to uncover some automotive unicorns that redefine rarity and showcase the incredible diversity of truck history. So, grab your gear, settle in, and let's explore these elusive pickups that stand out in a league of their own. The GMC Cyclone, in Jay Leno's collection, is one of the rarest and most intriguing vehicles he owns. This high-performance pickup truck, produced in limited numbers in the early 1990s, stands out for its unique blend of speed, power, and exclusivity. The GMC Cyclone has a sleek, aggressive look that sets it apart from typical pickup trucks. It's finished in a distinctive black paint that accentuates its sporty profile. The front fascia features a bold grille and stylish integrated headlights that give the truck a menacing appearance. The body is aerodynamically designed, with subtle ground effects and a lowered stance, enhancing its performance-oriented aesthetic. Under the hood, the GMC Cyclone is powered by a turbocharged 4.3-litre V6 engine, delivering an impressive 280 horsepower and 350 lb-ft of torque. This powerful engine is paired with a 4-speed automatic transmission and an all-wheel drive system, enabling the Cyclone to achieve remarkable acceleration and handling for a pickup. It was one of the fastest production trucks of its time, capable of going from 0 to 60 mph in just 4.3 seconds, a feat that even some sports cars struggled to match. The Cyclone stands out not only for its rarity, but also for its historical significance as a groundbreaking performance truck. Driving the GMC Cyclone is an exhilarating experience. The turbocharged engine delivers a surge of power, while the all-wheel drive system provides excellent traction and stability. The truck's performance-tuned suspension ensures responsive handling, making it as capable on twisty roads as it is in a straight line. The Cyclone offers a unique blend of practicality and performance, making it a joy to drive in various conditions. In Jay Leno's renowned garage, where rarities are celebrated and automotive history is revered, the 1974 Datsun Sunny 1200 UTE stands out as a true gem. As one of the rarest pickups in his collection, this vintage Datsun represents a bygone era of automotive design and craftsmanship. The 1974 Datsun Sunny 1200 UTE exudes charm with its compact yet utilitarian design. Its sleek lines and compact proportions make it a standout among larger, more imposing pickups of its time. Despite its diminutive size, the Sunny 1200 UTE boasts impressive versatility and practicality, making it a beloved choice among drivers seeking a reliable workhorse. Underneath its weathered exterior lies a rich history of automotive innovation. Powered by a modest yet dependable engine, the Sunny 1200 UTE offers a smooth and efficient driving experience that belies its age. Its simplistic yet functional interior harkens back to a time when driving was a pure and unadulterated experience. What sets the 1974 Datsun Sunny 1200 UTE apart in Jay Leno's collection is not just its rarity, but also its cultural significance. As one of the last remaining examples of its kind, this pickup serves as a nostalgic reminder of an era when simplicity and reliability were paramount in automotive design. In Leno's eclectic assortment of vehicles, where each car tells a story, the 1974 Datsun Sunny 1200 UTE stands as a testament to the enduring legacy of Datsun and the ingenuity of automotive engineers of the past. Its presence in his garage is a tribute to the rich tapestry of automotive history and a testament to Leno's appreciation for vehicles that have stood the test of time. In Jay Leno's esteemed collection, where rarities abound and each vehicle holds a unique story, the Ford F-150 Harley-Davidson edition stands out as one of the rarest gems. This collaboration between Ford and the iconic motorcycle manufacturer Harley-Davidson represents a fusion of automotive and motorcycle culture that is as exclusive as it is compelling. The Ford F-150 Harley-Davidson edition boasts a limited production run with only a select number of units ever manufactured. Its scarcity within Leno's vast collection is underscored not just by its production numbers, but also by its significance as a symbol of American craftsmanship and collaboration between two legendary brands. Visually striking, the F-150 Harley-Davidson edition commands attention with its unique styling cues and luxurious features. From its bold badging to its custom wheels and specialized trim, every detail speaks to the meticulous craftsmanship that went into its creation. This truck is not merely a mode of transportation, but a statement piece that reflects the passion and heritage of both Ford and Harley-Davidson. Within the context of Leno's extensive collection, where rare finds and automotive treasures abound, the Ford F-150 Harley-Davidson edition holds a special place as a testament to innovation and ingenuity in the automotive world. Its rarity elevates it to a coveted status among enthusiasts and collectors alike, making it a true standout in Jay Leno's remarkable assortment of vehicles. Under the hood of the Ford F-150 Harley-Davidson edition lies a powerhouse that merges performance with reliability. This truck is not just about looks, it's about what's beneath the surface that makes it a true performer on the road. What's your favorite aspect of the Ford F-150 Harley-Davidson edition? Is it the powerful engine, the unique styling, or perhaps something else that captures your interest? The Sam Walton F-150 Lightning Tribute holds a special place as a rare and significant piece of automotive history. This tribute truck pays homage to the legendary founder of Walmart, Sam Walton, and his affinity for the high-performance Ford F-150 Lightning. The Sam Walton F-150 Lightning Tribute captures the essence of the original Lightning, a performance-oriented variant of the Ford F-150 that gained a cult following in the late 1990s and early 2000s. With its distinctive styling cues and potent powertrain, the Lightning was renowned for its impressive acceleration and handling, earning it a place in the hearts of truck enthusiasts and collectors alike. Jay Leno's decision to honor Walton in such a manner reflects his deep appreciation for both automotive history and the individuals who shaped it. By recreating Walton's classic pickups aesthetic on a modern Lightning platform, Leno effectively bridges the gap between past and present, showcasing the enduring appeal of iconic design elements across generations. This custom tribute truck is likely to draw attention not only for its striking appearance, but also for the symbolic significance it carries. It serves as a reminder of Walton's entrepreneurial spirit and the enduring legacy of the Ford F-Series, which has remained a staple of American roads for decades. In Leno's expansive collection, where each vehicle tells a story, the Sam Walton-inspired F-150 Lightning undoubtedly holds a special place as a tribute to a titan of industry. Its presence serves as a testament to the enduring impact of Walton's vision and the timeless appeal of classic automotive design. Ford F-100 Custom could indeed be considered one of the rarest gems. While the F-100 was a popular and widely produced model during its production run from the 1950s to the early 1970s, finding a well-preserved or meticulously restored example can be quite challenging. The rarity of the Ford F-100 Custom in Leno's garage would stem not only from its scarcity in the broader automotive landscape, but also from its significance as a symbol of American automotive heritage. As one of the most iconic pickup trucks of its era, The F100 Custom represents a pivotal chapter in Ford's history and holds a special place in the hearts of enthusiasts and collectors. Moreover, if Leno's F100 Custom were to possess unique features, a rare factory option, or a distinguished provenance, its rarity would be further accentuated. Whether it's a limited production variant, a historically significant model year, or a truck with an interesting backstory, these factors would enhance its desirability and exclusivity within Leno's collection. In the context of Leno's garage, where each vehicle tells a story and reflects a passion for automotive history, a Ford F100 Custom would undoubtedly stand out as a prized possession. Its rarity, combined with its timeless design and cultural significance, would make it a cherished addition to his collection and a testament to the enduring allure of classic American pickups. A meticulously crafted Chevy C10 Restomod from 1967 would undoubtedly hold a special place as one of the rarest gems. A Restomod, which combines classic aesthetics with modern performance and technology, represents a unique fusion of old and new. While the Chevy C10 is a beloved classic pickup truck, finding one that has been tastefully restored and upgraded to Restomod status is a rarity in itself. The rarity of the Chevy C10 Restomod in Leno's collection would stem not only from its scarcity in the broader automotive landscape, but also from the meticulous attention to detail and craftsmanship that went into its restoration and modification. Each component, from the engine to the suspension to the interior, would likely be carefully selected and expertly integrated to create a seamless blend of vintage charm and contemporary performance. Moreover, if Leno's Chevy C10 Restomod were to feature unique customizations, bespoke finishes, or rare aftermarket parts, its rarity would be further accentuated. Whether it's a one-off design, a limited production variant, or a truck with a distinguished provenance, these factors would enhance its desirability and exclusivity within his collection. In Leno's garage, where every vehicle tells a story and reflects a passion for automotive innovation, a Chevy C10 Restomod would be more than just a rare find. It would be a masterpiece of automotive artistry. Its combination of classic styling and modern performance would make it a standout addition to his collection and a testament to the enduring appeal of vintage trucks reinvented for the modern era. If you enjoyed discovering these automotive rarities, don't forget to hit that like button and share the video. And if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel to stay tuned for more fascinating automotive insights. Drop a comment below telling us which of these pickups amazed you the most. Thank you for watching and see you on the next adventure in the world of pickups.